Hello guys, this time I'm gonna go over this question 11 because I went over until number 10, so let's do 11. So you want to solve for this x here, okay? This one is simple. You can use trigonometry, but do you see this is an isosceles triangle because these two angles are equal to each other? Do you see this form? So these two are equal to each other. So this one is also x. Then what should I do? It's pretty simple. I just use Pythagorean theorem. So x squared plus x squared is equal to 24 squared. That's the only thing that you have to do. So if you use menu 31, let's say, you're going to get x equal 16.97. So I can get rid of this 2 right away. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one into the calculator and see which one gives you 16.97. And this will give you 16.97 when you actually plug this one to calculator. It's very simple and easy, okay? If this does not work, you can just use Pythagorean theorem, which is SOHCAHTOA. That's what you have to know, okay? Now, question number 12 and 13, that's easy as well. It's BC. Let me but now here. When you have a dilated with a scale factor, what you have to know is when it comes to surface area, you have to know that it's gonna be side squared, and when it comes to volume, it's gonna be side to the third power. Now for the prism, you're gonna do it in the factor of 1/4. So it's gonna be shrinked by 1/4. That's our S. So for the surface area, it's gonna be 1/4 square. So it's gonna decrease by 1/16. And if it was a volume, 1/4 to the third power, it's gonna be 1/64. Now let's look at it. Looks like if you look at the answer choice, it's all talking about the surface area. In that case, it is gonna be changed by 1/6. And to me, 1/6 is the B. So the answer is gonna be B. If question was asking for the volume, you gotta use 1/64. And you may ask, Mr. Kim, then what are we gonna use this one? Yeah, you can use this one, this information to find it, but do you really want to do that? Because that will take longer. It's better for you to do it just like that. Now, question number 13. You wanna solve for AE. It's simple. Now, you have to know which side is corresponding with this. Is it this one or this one? You're not really sure, right? So simple way is this, A to B. AB is the first two letter. First two letter is EB. So it's gonna be this. So it looks like these two are corresponding to each other. So I'm gonna put 5x minus 4. I'm gonna put big side of triangle on the top and little side in the bottom. That should be equal to this over this. 4x plus 7 over 9. So when you do it, I'm gonna use menu 31 equals 4x plus 7, 9, comma x. I get x equals 5. Now I want to solve for A to E, so I'm gonna plug this one in here at AB, so it's gonna be 5 minus 4, which is a 21. And if you choose 21 as an answer, you're wrong because we are looking for A to E. So what do I have to do? It's plus 7. So you get 28. So that's a little trick. So when you're taking the test, just be careful. If you're someone like Alan, I know he's gonna get wrong on this one, only because he's gonna stop at 21. I know that. Let's try question number 14 and 15. So it's very simple. Now, I forgot the answer key, but whatever. Now, it's a probability question. There are 12 girls, including Stella and Saide, are competing in the district cross-country championship race. What is the probability that Stella gets the first place? So she is going to get the first place, and Saide will get the second place. So order matters. So this one and actually is like NPR, stuff like that, but we can do it in other ways. How many girls do we have in total? 12. And we want Stella to get a first place, and there are only one Stella out of those 12. So we're gonna choose one times. So she got the first place. So now we have 11 players left over. So we have 11 girls. And out of those 11 girls, we want specifically Saida to get there. So I'm gonna we have only one Saida there. So it's 11 over 1. When you multiply them together, you're gonna get this as an answer. It's very simple. Now, let's do question number 15. In circle V, like we got this one here, what you're trying to find QS. So let's do this. According to the question, this is 35, and this is 110. And you may be confused, Mr. Kim, how do I know which formula to use? Just use the formula chart, like they give it to you. So here, this one, you're looking for the angle. So this one looks like, this one looks like this. This one, right? So do you see 1/2, like this minus this? Like always, outside minus inside. So that's what you're gonna use. I'm gonna use 1/2. What's outside? 110. 110 minus inside, which is x, is equal to angle of this one, angle point, 35. So when you use menu 31 on this one, you're gonna get the answer. I forgot the answer, and I don't wanna use, let me be nice to you. It's gonna be 70, and 110 minus 70. It's gonna be 40. So this is gonna be 40. It's gonna be A. So it's pretty easy. Let's do 16 and 17. It's the 14 and B. Okay, I memorized the 14 and B. So here you go. Oh, so you want to find length of what? J to L. So let's do this. We don't know J to N, so I'm gonna put it X. And here your formula is gonna be this. Do you see AE times EB is equal to DE times EC, something like that? So same thing here on JN, so X times 4, so X times 4 is equal to 8 times 5. You can change order, like this. That's not a big deal. You still get a right answer, and if you use menu 31, you're gonna get 14, okay? It's very easy. Oh, no, menu 31, you're going to get x equals 10. Never mind. Now, the thing is, why answer is 14? Because you're looking for J to L, right? So x is 10, but this is 4. So it's a 10 plus 4, which is 14. So don't get confused with this, okay? Now, triangle is simple. If you add up all triangle, that should be equal to 180, right? So what you have to do is you add up all angle. And that should be equal to 180. And when you solve for this, you're going to get x equals something. I don't know what x is. But I think x equals 8. And you're asking for angle M. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug this one in. So it's 7 times 8 plus 1 is equal to 57. That's why you get answer B. Okay? It's very simple and easy. It's a DC. Okay, so let's do this. DC. So here, question number 18. It's easy. So A to E is X. E to B is X plus 10. C to E is X plus 4. E to D is X plus 5. So it's the exactly same formula that we did here. It's this one. So A to E, so I'm going to put X times X plus 10 should be equal to C to E, X plus 4 times E to D, X plus 5. If you do the menu 31, I don't know what you get, but you're going to get x equals something. But you're looking for A to B. So you are going to plug in x here, and then you're going to find the answer. I think x was 20 for this one. So you get 20, and it's a 20 plus 10. So it's a, yeah, because here too is 20. Here too here is a 20 plus 10, which is 30. So 20 plus 30 is 50. Number 19. Pizza cut in 8 equal sides, which means each angle is going to be 45 degrees. Now, Leslie, out of this, Leslie ate 5 slices. So how many angles did she eat out of 360? I don't know. But I know it's a 5. 45 times 5 is what? 225. Okay. So diameter of the pizza was 16 inches. And what was the approximate area of the pizza that Leslie ate? So diameter is 16, so radius is going to be 8, because that's the diameter, right? So we have to use the, we're not going to find the entire sector. We're going to use only part of the circle. So this one is what? It's not arc length, it's going to be sector of a circle. So we're going to use this one. So it's going to be x over 360 times pi r squared. That's the formula. Only thing that I have to do is I have to plug in the number, pi 8 squared, and then you're going to get C as an answer. Okay, okay, so AB, I'm not sure, but yeah, here. I'm not going to go over question number 22 in this video because that's going to take a while. So let's look at question number 20. How do you do this one? So based on information, what is the length of RS? You want to find this one. We know this is the what? Angle Q is a 30 and QR is 12. Oh, it's our favorite formula. It's what? So, ka, toa. It's very simple. And do you see out of this angle, we want to find x, and we know this one, right? So it's the O, this one is A, this one is H. So which one use O and A? Tangent. So it's the tangent, what's the angle? 30 is equal to x over 12. When you do it, you're going to get x equals something. I don't know what it is. And what you have to do is, I know these two are not going to be the answer. So you're going to put these two into the calculator and see which one match with this. That's what you're going to do. Now there's a plane, like there's a figure here, and you're going to cut it perpendicular. Do you see this perpendicular to its base? So you're going to cut it vertically like that. And which one has a rectangle? That's what you're trying to find. So first, cone. This is a cone. Second one is a cylinder. Third one is a sphere. Fourth one is a pyramid like here. So you're going to cut it in the vertical way here. And as you can see, for cone, it's going to be a triangle. Cylinder is going to be a rectangle because that's what we're looking for. So that's the answer. So, sphere is going to be the circle when you cut it like that. Pyramid is going to be the triangle when you cut it. So that's it. So that's it, guys. Question number 22 may be the hardest one and the longest one. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go over it in the video. But let's see. That's about it, guys. I love you. Bye.